nwere onye gị na-ebi na ya dị o nwere ife ọ na-alụ mana ọ na-erisi ego ike bịa gbaa ya ama.
I repeat again, Nigeria does not have leadership problem. Yes, I'm the one saying it. Nigeria has followership problem. Look at what is happening in Anambra State. It is not the people that are fighting the work of the government, the work of the leaders. They are using politics to spoil our tradition. They are using it. Okay, if you are catching the traditionalists, why the pastors? They are now defending errors. While growing up, every youth I know have indirectly accused the politicians as those who are using jazzmen to protect themselves. You will see all these politicians, they are doing jazz too. They are the one patronizing these people that are selling human parts. And they say, and even politicians are patronizing them. Now, the politicians in Anambra State, the lawmakers sat down and want to solve the insecurity in the state, and they made a law. There are traditionalists among them, there are Christians among them, there are pagans among them, there are atheists among them, those who doesn't believe in God, and there are Islams among them, there are Jewish among them. At least these 5 religions were represented in the State House of Assembly of Anambra State. If these guys are the ones using Babalawo to protect themselves, why would they make that law against the favor of the Babalawos? But I know they think. We have been accusing the wrong people because we are ignorant of the truth. See now, since they started this arrest, no one, they become law-abiding citizens by force. It isn't our own video with the watch. Then they will be sending thunder. Somebody will do one will be saying, I will fire you back. You will be doing automanje. Do now. Most of you are now beginning to see that these people are completely fake. I said it before and I will repeat again. All of them, I didn't say some, including the pastors, all. None of them has spiritual power. Now, you people are not shifting goalposts. They might not have power, but I remember Pericome time. See, even Pericome is still they say. The day you will realize that Pericome too does not have spiritual power, that's the day you wake up from your sleep. They say has killed us. He has diminished us. While growing up, do you know the lie they told us? If person shit, if you burn the shit, say the person go pepper am. They don't tell you that one. If you barb your hair and allow them carry, they will use it and do charm. You become poor. They don't tell you that one. Make I begin tell you, if you go play ball, they come back, they will say, tie the leaf so their father will not flog you. They flog me tire even as I tire reach. All those superstitious stories, and you still believe them, that they walk. Oh, this bird, that is what's the name of this bird will be flying, will be doing her like this. Say if you do if the white go come out for your this thing, for your finger. Different lies and cook up stories. Nigeria play ball with India, they beat us 101. If they play ball, you go change to lion head. What kind of story we did not hear when we were growing up? And in the 21st century, you still believe those lies. Somebody is not telling me, we know say that Okite is now our culture, but Odeshi is our culture. You know they ask question, if Odeshi is working, why is there insecurity in your state? A state you they fear thief, they fear kidnapper. The Babalawo where you claim say they your village they do Odeshi, why can't he be the one protecting the whole of your village? Why can't he be the one? Even if you know do it for that, why can't he do it for himself and protect the whole village? I've told you this thing. Whenever you say Odeshi they exist, you are saying that more than 20 million Nigerians that are in paramilitary and military are fish. You are calling them mumu. You are saying they don't have sense. Meanwhile, you don't get sense to reason. Look at the people that came to arrest the Babalawo in their places. All of them are wearing bulletproof. And all these people came from villages that have people online claiming, Odeshi, they will come my village, you see people do Odeshi, God know they enter their body. If Odeshi is existing, why will a policeman or a military person put his trust in a vest that's only covering the chest? Because Odeshi is supposed to cover your teeth, cover your eye, cover your nose, cover your everywhere, cover your finger. You think those guys like to die? You think they don't know what is happening? Why is your politician spending money to buy bulletproof, including your pastors, when they tell you say God will protect you, selling handband for you, selling anointing oil, but they are spending your money they are getting from that to buy bulletproof to protect themselves. Suleiman was one of them that escaped death because he has a bulletproof. Technology is saving, not anointing. But when we speak, you come to us, say, remove body, you don't know what you are talking about. See, this is the main message why they call me Deputy Jesus. Not even Igbo Unity. If you don't know you today. My former program, Moment of Unquestionable Truth, in the radio station, I run it for 3 years. I the answer preacher son there. But people started mocking me that I'm trying to confuse them. They started calling me Deputy Jesus. 2017 to 2016 to 2019, 3 good years. I've been teaching this thing. There's nothing like the spiritual part. There's nothing like, I'm a Christian, no, but I'm not a foolish one. If your pastor cannot walk on water, he cannot feed the 5,000 people. He cannot turn water to wine. He cannot even die for his wife, talkless of dying for himself. He cannot speak to a tree, he died the next day. As I'm talking to you now, both the Babalawo and Afa and your pastor put together, they cannot predict tomorrow weather. But someone who got knowledge from the school as methodologist can predict tomorrow weather. He can even tell you when earthquake will happen in the next 10 years. Tell you when eclipse will happen. He will do the calculation and give years out. The weather and the atmosphere that God made. The man that went to school has the power to understand it. But you that claim has spiritual power cannot see it. And you want me to believe that they have powers? From time to time, air still remain air, water still remain water, blood still remain blood. From generation to generation, none of these things change. Why is your spiritual power changing now and you are claiming Pericom had power those days? Why is the power not having power again? Because it doesn't exist. The world is run by principles. Physical world we are living in. There's no spiritual power here that will save you. This event is supposed to make you open eye and understand that we're supposed to come together. You see that time one that they gather for crusade. That time one that they got this what do they call them experience in hundreds of thousands. We're supposed to use that crowd. Go hold our government accountable, even if they are state government. Hold them accountable, shake it. That 3 days when they do that crusade, now they're supposed to do 3 days protest in front of his house. Put pressure on the governor, put pressure on your local government. Let them great job for you, but you're using it to call unknown existing illusionist power and be claiming he's the one to bless you. Do you know what option means? Once you have option, you become lazy. And if my girlfriend ain't no work, B go work. That's why you become lazy. But if you have no option, you know this is the only thing you have, you will put energy in it. Why we are lazy in this country is because we think we have an option. Some people will be claiming my progress and my success does not come from the Nigerian government. God is my provider. Which God is that one? No work now. Even the same Bible tell you, he that work not ought not to eat. And you say God is true and you are thinking that God does not answer his prayer. If you don't work, physical work, not be prayer. He that work not ought not to eat. The same Bible, but you will be interpreting something wrong. He told you in the same Bible, I will bless your handwork. It didn't say I will bless your prayer. So it's not spiritual anywhere. It didn't say I will bless what you give. I will bless your handwork and multiply the works of your hands. But you are here believing lies. God that did not make money is automatically asking for money. It's just like God did not make plane, but God is asking for plane. Is the plane faster than God? Why should God live for player? God is asking for money. What does he need money for? And in the entire world, Nigerian Naira is the lowest currency. The Bible makes you know that God is requesting for something better, something that is more pure, something that is worth more silver than gold. Your naira that does not have value is what God is asking you. God not ask you for dollar, he not ask for pounds, he not ask for euro. Now naira wey no get value, now they carry give am. Those pastors don't chop una mugu. All of them are scammers and thieves. I repeat it again. If anyone claim he can perform any wonders, no argue with him. Hold in hand like this, chicken pump, enter hospital. If you kill anyone, call me bastard. I'm out of here, Joe.